Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open your TikTok application and go to your repost videos. So here we are in repost. There are two methods to delete repost. The first method is open repost that you want to delete and click on this share icon and you will see here the first option of remove repost. Click on that and this repost will be removed. By doing this first method, you can delete only reposts one by one, but to delete all reposts at once, click on this icon in the upper side and you will get to settings and privacy. You have to open it and scroll down. Here, you will see an option of report a problem. Click on that and then again scroll down and tap on this option which says submit a report. So click on this and you will be on this page. Now here you have to write like this: hello TikTok team. Help me to delete my all repost at once, or share the way to delete all repost at once. You can write your username here and then you have to write your email here where TikTok will contact you and click on submit. TikTok will contact you in 2 to 3 working days and your problem will be solved. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.